Hey everybody, so welcome back. We're jumping straight back into the XR6. So as we have got the interior completely stripped out now, the only thing really left to do is pull out the center stereo console, as in these things the CD player is no longer working properly. We do however have to change out the airbag as well, as that front cover on that is damaged. As we can see, it wasn't like this. I'm gonna get through the door first. Oh, as you can see, got in. This airbag is breached here in this, so that's going to have to get replaced. That won't cover roadworthy, but we will have to pull the stereo out to change it out. Otherwise, it's not too bad condition. Handbrake cover, a few other bits and pieces. We'll give it a good clean out. There's been a lot of moisture in the car for whatever reason, but we will get into that. But today's objective is to get in the outside here and do as much of this sand work and prep work as we can. So we'll get stuck into that today and get as much done as we can. I don't think we have too many troubles. We'll get a big heap into this side again done today. Really the only major thing is there's a small dent in the door here. A little bit of rust inside this rail here on the other side, which is just a bit of surface rust. But first thing we're going to do is give it a really good clean, get in, finish all this sort of stuff as well. And yeah, we're going to get from there. So hopefully we don't run into too many dramas or anything, but we will get stuck into it. So this thing will get hopefully finished sooner rather than later.
Nobody like you. I know it's super late, but I'm so drunk, trying to pick the pieces up that fell broke. Tell me that you didn't go and lose hope on me. Can somebody help me out? This world is spinning round, can't think straight, and it's all for you. Can you help me through? Nobody like you.
So we pulled the front vents off. Something we just found in here. A nice little pile of rust in there, but it's nothing too bad. It's just a lot of surfacey sort of garbage around. There's water sitting in here, so we're going to track all that down. I think we're going to hardcore rust proof in there and make sure this is draining out right. We'll check all down this end as well, but yeah, we'll give it a clean out and see where we're stuck out. Fun times.
Somebody help me out there.
So we're at the end of the day for sanding, so we have done a marginally fair bit of the car. As you can see, we've just put a bit of undercoat on a few of the exposed spots. For now, it's getting a bit late in the day for any real painting, so we'll get it back into the shed. Now, as we can see in our travels, it hasn't come up too bad. A bit of a dent here, that we're going to fix. This area is not looking too bad. Will we change? The other thing that we did discover while we were doing this is a rust spot coming out right here from the inside of the boot. So that's something that we're going to have to get in and tackle. So that's something we're going to have to get in and tackle and go from there. And it looks like there's a bit of dust got in behind the lens on the camera, so another hack of that and pull that apart as well. But yeah, so we're moving along quite good. From here is undercoats and repairs, and then more sanding, and then the rest of the little fiddly bits we got in the back, and then we won't too far off paint.